Here we are in part 22 of house build. If you remember, in part 21 we had the deck started. Got a little bit more complete on the deck. Still need a little piece of ceiling up there. We do have some more plumbing completed inside. Plumber's here to do the finish plumbing, putting the disposal in, drains, and all the faucets. Still need to work on the master bath, but you can see the drain and supply lines are hooked up in the master bathroom. Outside we're getting another load of dirt. That'll be spread around the yard on the final grade. And then on the inside again, just our final hookup of the main plumbing. And at that point, the whole house will have hookup for water. Now this house, we're using the PEX, is using the Uponor PEX system to connect all the plumbing. And this should be the final connection before we turn the water on to the house for the first time. Then we can energize the water heater as well. Alright, so the water is now hooked up and we're going to give it a pressure test. So looking for any potential leaks, any potential issues that may happen. Fill up the water heater and then we'll go upstairs and check all the water outlets, check the drains, check all the toilets. Meanwhile, outside, the decking has been delivered and we have it all set up on the frame of the deck, ready to be installed. It's a composite gray decking. Should be no maintenance. So moving around, you can see the master shower is coming along using the 12 by 24 wall tile. Meanwhile, outside, the decking is installed, railing is up. All that needs to be done out here is a wrap around the outside of the deck. Ceiling's done on the deck and we just need the steps. And the post caps also need to be installed. Pretty much the deck is done. Let's check back in the master shower. And we've got the master shower all tiled to the ceiling. A couple niches there. And the base of the shower matches the back side of the niche. And we have the garage door installed now. And we can go back into the master and the grout is now done in the master shower. Faucets installed. So on the water supply, we had to have a pressure reducer installed. And you can see we had to also install the outside spigot or the silcock outside. In the kitchen, we have the backsplash tile complete. The over-the-range microwave is installed. back, there's going to be an external garage, a 2-car garage installed back there by the homeowner. So we're not going to focus too much on that, but we are going to start some outside flat work on the concrete, front porch, driveway, back stoop. You can see that's all framed up, and the patio at the bottom of the deck is going to be a stamped concrete. But this is where the secondary garage is going to be, and there's going to be a driveway going back. You can see the footers are all poured for that garage. That's a separate project, not related to this one, but the driveway will run all the way up the side of the house. So check back in the final episode, part 23 of House Build, to see the completed project. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.